and welcome to this section on macronutrients. So what are macronutrients? Macronutrients in a nutshell are proteins, carbohydrates and fats. The word itself means that we need these foods in relatively large amounts. We're going to start with proteins. Why are proteins so great? They require more energy than any other macros for your body to digest, burning more calories gram for gram during digestion. They help control appetite, keep hunger at bay, and make you feel fuller for longer. They help build muscle and prevent muscle loss if you are in a calorie deficit. Sources include meat, fish, eggs, dairy, tofu, microproteins, and some beans. Microproteins are like the things derived from like wheat. Yeah. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy for the body. They are the sugars, starches, and dietary fibre that occur in plant foods and dairy products. In a nutshell, a carbohydrate is anything that grows out the ground and anything that is derived from it. They also occur in dairy products in the form of a milk sugar called lactose. Sources include fruit, veg, grains, pulses, basically, as I've already mentioned, anything that comes out of the ground and any product deriving from them, i.e. flours, cereals, sugars, etc. Right, fats. Fats are an essential nutrient for our bodies simply can't live without. Although you might hear a lot of fat-free things all the time, good fat is essential for the body. The primary function of fat is an energy reserve. The body stores fat or adipose tissue as a result of excess calorie consumption. During exercise, the body first uses calories from carbohydrates for energy. After about 20 minutes, depending on what you're doing, it uses calories from stored fat to keep going. Fat also helps the body absorb necessarily fat-soluble vitamins such as A, D, E and K. Choose foods with a good unsaturated fats and limit foods with high saturated fat. Also ban trans fat. Good unsaturated fats include monounsaturated, polyunsaturated, and these actually lower disease risk. Now, good sources of fat include fatty fish, oils, nuts, nut butters, and avocados. Now, macronutrients and blood sugar levels. Having the right balance of macronutrients is essential to ensuring blood sugar levels are stabilised. An imbalance in your macronutrient profile can have a huge effect on blood sugar levels, causing things such as low energy, short temper, foggy-headed, mood swings, lack of motivation. Some of you have probably already felt that at some point. Low blood sugar fluctuation. Low blood sugar levels can cause hypoglycemia. Hypoglycemia can result in not enough sugar getting to the brain, in turn causing fatigue, dizziness, poor memory, anxiety, irritability, heart palpitations. There's a little graph there showing you some of the things that can cause them. So down there is hypoglycemia. High blood sugar fluctuations. High blood sugar levels can cause hyperglycemia. Hypo means low, hyper means high, and can risk long-term diabetes. Hyperglycemia can also cause anxiety, depression, shortness of breath, poor concentration, and in extreme cases, even a coma. So how much of each macronutrient do you need? This depends on three things: body weight, percentage of body fat, and your fitness goals. So we're going to put three things up on the screen. For fat loss, there's your rough calculation there. For muscle gain, that's your rough calculation, and then maintenance is down the bottom. Again, this is based on the individual, based on their personal circumstances, so it's just a rough guide. So water. Personally, I class water as a type of macronutrient, in the sense the body needs large amounts of it, but unlike the other macronutrients, it doesn't contain carbon or give you any energy. 60% of our body is made up with water, and these body fluids play a wide range of vital roles, from digestion and the creation of saliva to the transportation of nutrients and cellular absorption. It reduces muscle fatigue and ensuring the correct fluid balance and electrolyte level within cells. It's crucial in maintaining normal digestion. It is an excellent detoxifier and promotes kidney function. It helps regulate body temperature and keeps joints and muscles lubricated during exercise. So final reminders. It is essential that blood sugar levels are stabilised through the macronutrients we consume in order to prevent any negative effects to the body caused by hyperglycemia and hypoglycemia. In order to achieve your fitness goals, it's important the correct energy and calories are consumed through the correct balance of proteins, carbs and fat. And water is essential. It has so many benefits and it's paramount that we have adequate water. So that's it for this show, and I'll speak to you all in the next one.